Well, okay, welcome back to Chin and Ron. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple puzzle project. These make fantastic Christmas presents. I've made a lot of these for my mom over the past years. Basically, just take a photograph, a little bit of glue, plywood, glue it together, let it dry, put it through the bandsaw in various cuts, and you've got a puzzle. Not a whole lot to it. So sit back and enjoy the show. All you're going to need is a piece of wood, a piece of plywood. This is actually a piece of wood from an old drawer, and it's going to kind of clean it off a little bit. You take your picture that you're going to use, and you can either rough cut it or you can cut it out however you want. I've done this multiple ways. Sometimes I would just take the picture, cut it all out, and then glue it on, and then cut the plywood with the picture out at once. And that's what I'm going to do this time. Other times I've cut the picture out and I've kind of lined it up with the edge and then kind of glued it on. So there's many ways of doing this, but again, just glue it on there. So I'm just going to kind of rough cut it. Just go ahead and put some glue on it. Just using Elmer's glue. You can use anything. Alright, go ahead and let that set for about an hour or so. Sometimes I've got a lot of these going on, so I'll just let it set overnight just to make sure that it's glued. It's all dry, so let's go ahead and start shaping the puzzle. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this piece here and then cut out my picture. Okay, so now that you've got it all cut out, all you need to do is go and just kind of make all kinds of zigzag designs. So just kind of go in there and move it all the way around and do what you want to do with it to make the puzzle. So afterwards, what I might do is I might take a small piece of sandpaper and just kind of clean it up a little bit, each piece. But right now, I'm just going to kind of worry about actually making the puzzle. Make sure that you have a piece of wood or something to kind of help you guide this, so you don't get too close to the blade. All right, let's go ahead and make our puzzle. Okay, now just take all your pieces and bring them over, and just take your sanding block and you want to sand all the edges off a little bit. You just want to kind of clean them up. Not the picture side, just the back side. Just kind of clean them up like that. Alright? Just kind of set those off to the side. Do that to all of them. Okay, so not a whole lot to it. So basically, put it together, put it in a little bag, put it in a little box or something, give it to friends and family for Christmas presents. Again, parents love this kind of stuff, grandparents. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks an awful lot for watching.